So this is getting my Eco device online. It says in Hindi and English, and now I can select my device language here. Now it is asking to connect the Wi-Fi network. So let us connect it. After adding the Wi-Fi, it asks to add your Amazon account credentials. Now since I have added two-factor authentication to my account, it will send a code to my mobile number and I have to enter it here to proceed. Now it is registering the device to my account. Now it has registered the EcoShow 8 second gen to my account and I can continue. It asks for time zone. Now it is asking me to give a name to this device so that I can just call the Alexa and tell to play music. So I'll just giving it study EcoShow. Now here you can see it is asking me for the wallpapers to set up. I can just set up whatever I want. So I'll just set up nature and I'll click on continue. As this EcoShow has also the camera, you can see that it's written EcoShow can help you monitor your home. Allow members of your household to live stream the EcoShow camera anytime, anywhere through the Alexa app and connected devices such as another EcoShow. An indicator will appear when someone in your household is streaming the camera. So the EcoShow will now appear as a camera in the Alexa app. So the device has been completed now and it's just loading. So now you can see the device has been ready and we can use the word Alexa. Alexa, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Trying my hand at some rhyme. When I get it right, I feel like I'm on cloud nine.
So this is the Alexa has been set up now. Now I can go to home by calling the Alexa. Alexa, go to home. Now this will go to the home page which shows the wallpaper, date and time. Using this is quite easy. You can see we have few buttons here. So this is the volume up button. It increases the volume. This is the volume down button. And this is the mute button. So when you click mute, it will just mute. And if I call Alexa, it won't respond. So you also get this news on the Alexa home screen here. So this is the camera button. You just open it, it will open. If you just close it, will be closed. So that's quite easy. Now when you swipe from the top like this, you get this setting. So you can just increase the brightness or you can just decrease the brightness. See, so it's increased the brightness. And you can also put your Alexa in do not disturb mode if you don't want any notifications to pop up, or else you can just remove the do not disturb. And here are the settings. So you go into settings and you can see it's written Bluetooth, network, display and brightness, etc. Now going into brightness, you can see here are some settings. We have adaptive brightness, sunrise effect, adaptive color, etc. So you can just toggle with them. So here in the home content, you can toggle whatever you want, your calendar, events, communication, your drop-in messages, final scores. So you can see favorite teams of final scores. You can just turn this on. Help of COVID-19, etc. Alerts. So here you can see in the sound, we have the media sound that we can toggle. We have the alarm sound and we have ascending alarm. Alarm will gradually increase while selecting this. So, and then you have your alarm sound notification, start of request, end of request, etc. So here in the camera settings, you can see we already have enabled the home monitoring while setup itself. We have video delay, so it will just add a delay so that the video streaming is clear. It also shows an audio alert when your camera begins streaming. So here you can go and configure the device options. For example, wake word, you can just click and select whatever wake word you want. We have selected it as Alexa and date and time, temperature, etc. So we have a software update here. So we can click here and it says update software update. You can just click on yes and it will update the software. So here we also do have a help section here when you can just choose any of these settings or the options and you can troubleshoot your EcoShow 8. Here is the restrict access option. You can see we can restrict access to movie trailers, web browser, web video search, video providers, etc. So in the communication mode, you can see you can have the incoming call ringtone. You can even allow Zoom to allow a block videos on this device. So you can just see you can allow audio, camera and storage for the Zoom video calls. Now checking out the main features. So if you swipe from the right, you can see you have communicate, smart home music. Click on communicate. So this will open up a page wherein you can communicate. So you can drop in, announce call or message, so I can drop in, which means that I can talk to my other Alexa, Echo Dot, other one-on-one communication, which is quite useful. You can also announce, call, message. So here in the music, it shows the recent replayed music on the Amazon Music. So here are recent replayed music on the Amazon Music app. You can just play it from here also. The sound is very loud. Also, you can use this EcoShow 8 as a video device. So you can just click on video and you can play your Prime Video, YouTube videos, etc. You can see here Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, etc. So you can just play any of the titles you want in this EcoShow 8 itself, which is quite nice. While streaming on YouTube, the YouTube homepage opens up in the Amazon Silk browser and you can just play any of the video which you want directly from here. Now let me show you the volume levels of this EcoShow 8 by playing a non-copyright song. So I'll now search for NCS music, which is non-copyright sound music, and show you the sound quality of this EcoShow 8. Now I'm playing this on YouTube. The sound is quite loud and the bass effect is very nice. So if you love to listen to music that has high on bass and lot of electronic music, you will love this EcoShow. Let me just make it to full screen, and here also in the full screen we can just change the video quality also if you want. So you can just go to video quality and we can select up to 720 pixel. So you can play 720 pixel video on this EcoShow 8. Now let me increase the volume so you can see the volume potential of this. Alexa, volume to 2. Now I'll just reduce the volume to 2. You can see that was quite easy. So as you saw, the sound is very loud and this makes a really good home party speaker. So now we can also check the routines, how it works. So I'll just ask Alexa, start my day. So the routines that has been set for this will now start
Good
playing.
evening. Right now in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it's 30 degrees Celsius.
So as you
with
can
mostly
see,
cloudy
the routines that
skies.
has been set, it will be
Tonight's
showing up
forecast
here.
has thunderstorms with a low of
I am in, so now in my Alexa app, and you can see here are my devices. So here it shows the study EcoShow, which is our this device, and we can just increase the volume like this here, and volume get increased from app, and we can also drop in. So you can see I'm just calling here. As it was told that this EcoShow can be used to monitor your home also. So you can see here we have the camera. I'll click on the camera here and it shows my camera now. So now it will start dialing. You can see, and here it shows that it will give you a delay. A household member is connecting to your camera. So I click on stop, it will stop, or otherwise I can just wait. So you can see I will be able to see the live feed from this. So as you can see here, with the camera, Eco camera, I'm able to see the live feed here. Right, so you're able to see that in my smartphone here. It's a live feed. I can also, I can just talk to a speaker, you can see, or I can. So that's quite nice. I mean, really handy feature if you want to monitor your home when you're not available at your home or in your absence. Guys, that was a quick unboxing, setup, and feature overview of this Alexa EcoShow 2nd Gen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also check out our blog, which is trendyblog.net, for a full review article, link to same in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button, also press the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. We upload videos on quick gadget reviews, audio reviews, vlogs, food, lifestyle, etc. So here you can see, here is a tech blog, which is the trendyblog.in, wherein we upload about productivity, gadget reviews, etc. So you can check out our blog and get some cool information about latest review of the products. So guys, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our blog to get updated on latest tech. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Once again, this is Sai Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon.